In this video, I'm going to show you the best whiteboard animation video software for in 2021. Now what I'm going to do is simply show you all of the best softwares that you can use so that you can find out which one is going to be the best for you so that you can create amazing videos. Now before we get into that, I do want to mention that I'm not getting paid to say this. I also won't leave any affiliate links in the description down below, meaning that this is going to be an honest review and I'm just going to show you all of the options. Let's get started with the first one. So in total, I'm going to show you 4 softwares. I'm going to show you all of them. I'm going to show you how they work and the results. And then finally, I'm going to show you or give you my personal opinion. So the first software that I want to show you is called Doodly. Now this is probably the most well-known whiteboard video animation software. So if we just go to features and then go to happy users, I would like to show you what you can do with this specific software. So on the website, they've got a couple of videos where they're showcasing what you can actually do with the software. Now, there's a few different options that you'll get. So as you can see, video 1, whiteboard. So I'll just play that real quick. And you can see that this is a type of video that you could create. And this is a whiteboard video. Now, this is the classic whiteboard animation that they're known for. So what you can do with this one is simply draw characters and write down text, and you see this hand that's actually doing that in real time. At least that's what it looks like. But you can of course create all of this in the studio or like in the editor, and then it's gonna do this and turn it into a video, which is cool. Now on Doodly, they've also got Blackboard videos. So as you can see, it's pretty similar, but the drawing, like the hand, is behind the screen or behind the camera instead of in front of it. So right there you can see it's in front, right there it's behind. But that's still a pretty cool feature and a small difference between the two. And then finally, we've got the Blackboard. So if you're like wondering, it's a whiteboard animation software. They do have blackboards. Yep, that's true. So they also have blackboards just for some variation. So if you should be using that for a video, like if you want to, then this could be a good software for you. They've got a few different options. So they've got like 3 different options, 3 different styles, which is really cool. Now, if we go to Doodle Maker, this is from the same company as Doodly. And in a bit, guys, I'll show you the pricing and all of that from all of these softwares. But Doodle Maker is from the same company. The difference between the two is that this one is more focused on creating a video in this style, so whiteboard animation, but making it way easier to do so. So they've got 300 ready-made templates, text-to-speech, which makes it very easy. And then also they've got an AI system, which I'll show you right now. And this is pretty much going to help you create a video. So if you put in a script or a YouTube video link, the AI system can read what it's about, can find out what it is about, and then turn that into an entire video. And once again, they've got whiteboard, blackboard, and glassboard. So like I said, it's from the same company as Doodly. It's just more focused on making it easier to make a video and even doing this automatically. So if you want more options in terms of like customizing it, I would go with Doodly. If not, if you're just looking to make videos quick, Doodle Maker is probably better than Doodly for you. Now, that's it for these two. Let's get into other websites, other companies. So this one is called Vyond. Vyond is also well known for animation, like video making. But if we go to the showcase and then go to the template library, I'll show you guys that they've also got whiteboard animations. And then in a bit, I'll also show you the free trial, because on this website, they do have a free trial, as you can see right there. But they've got all of these animations, right? So if I just play one of them, you can find out what that looks like on a dark Halloween night, and then it's just gonna do animation style. Now this is really cool. Like honestly, it's crazy that you can get this stuff in a software these days. But if I just sign in real quick, I'll show you and prove that they also have the whiteboard animations, because that's what you're here for. So do know that on Vyond and the next one, you can get a free trial. Unfortunately, on these two, I don't think you can get a free trial, which is kind of a shame, but hey, it is what it is. But if I click on make a video, you'll see that on Vyond, you can choose the style. So you've got contemporary, you've got business friendly, and then finally whiteboard animation. Now, if you click on select style, you can get going. I'm not sure, that might be my internet connection. Hopefully, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's just proof that there is indeed there we go. So this is their whiteboard animation software, if I click choose template, they make it very easy to just choose pre-made scenes, which is cool. But you can also just add a blank scene and then you can start uploading stuff yourself. You can add characters. So let's say I need a casual guy, simply add that. Mix around with the size and all of that, which is good. So yeah, this is a good whiteboard animation software too. Now if I just preview some of the clips, you can find out what this is actually looking like. So if I go with finance, we'll go with this one. That's a cool one. Let me click preview. Of course, keep in mind this is a free trial as of right now on this account, so there's going to be a watermark in there. If you're going to pay for it, of course there won't be any watermarks. But if I just preview this, I'm not sure why it's not playing. There we go. There's the transition. That is really cool. That is really cool. So it's kind of like animation mixed with whiteboard, like animation, like drawing and stuff, which is cool. Then finally, the best option after that is going to be Videoscribe, in my opinion. Once again, they have a free trial. If I just go to showcase, I'll show you what it looks like. Now, this is also a whiteboard animation software, but they do have a few other templates too. They've got a scrapbook style and a stick-up theme, which is cool. I'll show you those in a bit. But first, I'll show you the Whiteboard Explainer. So this is their Whiteboard Explainer. It's pretty basic. It's pretty much the same as the other softwares. Like there's not that much of a difference in all of them. It's probably going to be pricing and then some features or like different styles on the platform. So this is Whiteboard, and then like I said, they also have Scrapbook, which I'll play, which will look like this. Pretty similar, but then just slightly different. So yeah, they're going to zoom in, and then it's this, which is pretty similar, right? Finally, stick-up theme. There we go. You can see it's kind of like stick-up, of course, stick-up theme style, which is cool. Like I haven't seen that on other softwares yet, so that's definitely unique. The question is, do you need it or not? If you only need whiteboard animations, you definitely don't use this. So in that case, I would either go with Doodly, because they're like probably the best one out there. Vyond is cool too. If you're gonna get Vyond, you can do whiteboard animation, but then automatically you also get the normal animation stuff, which I'll show you real quick. So this specific software is quite expensive. It's about 650 per year compared to Videoscribe, only like 160, and Doodly like 240 if you go with the cheapest plan, I guess. But what you can do on here is really cool. You can add all sorts of animations. So you can do stuff like this. I'll add some more templates just to show you. But that's pretty much the main difference between the two. If I just play this, you can get a good understanding of what this could look like. Now, I would love to simply preview from there. And then click play. There we go. So you can see transitions, animations, and this is just really cool. This is really good to make an engaging video. If you combine this with whiteboard animations, you got yourself a really good software. So yeah, if you're trying to find out just software for just whiteboards, I would go with Doodly. If you want some more variation, I would go with Vyond, because you can do animations. If you want an automatic, like more template focused software, it's probably going to be Doodle Maker for you. And then Videoscribe, I wouldn't choose it. It's pretty decent. Like the whiteboard stuff looks great. However, I'm just not a big fan of it. Although the pricing is better, they do have free trials, and they've got two different styles. So if this is something that you like, Videoscribe could be for you. Now, if we go to pricing real quick, that's the final thing that I want to show you guys, because of course it's really important. This software is going to be 67, a one-time payment, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 67. For that, you're going to get all the features, which is good. If I go to Doodly, you're stuck to a subscription. So it's 39 per month or 69 if you pay annually, 20 or 40. The difference between these two plans is mostly just like the amount of characters that you'll get, not even like the quality or stuff. It's just the amount, which is, I mean, if you're just going to start it, I would go with standard, and then if you like it, I would upgrade. But if I go to Vyond, I also want to show you pricing, because I mentioned that the pricing is quite different, which I'll show you. And for Videoscribe, like I said, 25 euros per month, recurring payment, but if you pay yearly, it's only going to be $156. That comes with all of these features. I'm not going to go over all of these because it really depends on what you're trying to do. Just trying to help you out and mention the prices. So for Vyond, it's going to be $299 for a single user plan, but the software doesn't allow you to. There was a problem with that. You can see it's not even 1080p. So I wouldn't go with that. I would definitely go with premium, and that's going to be $90 per month or $649 per year. So you can test it out. I would pay monthly for the first plan, or maybe this one. See if you like it, and then go ahead and upgrade. It's probably the best strategy. But those are the prices. Hopefully this video gave you the right information. Let me know if it did. I would appreciate a like on the video. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to say any of this, so I would appreciate it. That would help push this video to more people so that they can also find out about the best software. So yeah, let me know your opinion, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.